Hi there, it's Sasha, creator of Coding Rooms here.
Hi, it's Angela from Coding Rooms, and today we wanted to reveal our ready-to-use customizable assignments. If you're a Coding Rooms user already, you can reach out to us to get this imported for free for Java and Python as of now. We've come a long way since this was highly requested in our community. And without further ado, I'm going to pass it over to Sasha. He's going to talk more about what to expect, in terms of some of the upcoming releases, as well as provide us a screen share of some of the features.
Thanks, Angela. Yeah, so for the longest time, we've allowed teachers to build courses and assignments with auto grading and input-output testing in Coding Rooms on their own. And today we're excited to announce that we will be releasing pre-built, customizable courses that will contain tons of, and actually hundreds of auto-gradable assignments that you can assign out to your students. Those, at least for the time being, will be provided to existing Coding Room subscribers and those on free trials whenever you reach out to us at hello@codingrooms.com or via our 24/7 live chat on the site. The key feature you'll get with these courses is the ability to hit the ground running in Coding Rooms. This way, you will no longer need to spend hours creating your own assignments or importing them from other sources. You can get going immediately with Coding Rooms, and it'll be easy to assign homework to students using our pre-built exercises. So, and we're releasing them initially for Java and Python. And on Java, we have a specific focus towards the AP Computer Science A curriculum, so that you can align that closer to your standards. Now I will jump into a quick screen share and we'll see you later. Hi there, it's Sasha, creator of Coding Rooms here, back with you for a quick screencast to go through our pre-built courseware for Java with a focus on AP Computer Science A and Python. So to give you a brief overview, these are pre-built courses that you're free to use as a Coding Rooms subscriber or free trial user with your students, and you're able to customize everything and add in your own content and basically do whatever you want. In order to get early access to these, please contact us. That's hello@codingrooms.com or via our live support chat down here in the bottom right hand corner of the application. And I'll start with the Java course. So the first thing is, once you'll click into the course, once it's imported into your account, and we'll notify you of that, you'll see this course dashboard where you have your first section of students, and by default we create a section called Intro to Java for you that's active and has no students. You'll be able to customize the name of the course, the headline, and even the version of Java if you'd like here using the settings. But let's dive into the assignments. This is the primary thing that we are actually delivering here. So we've got an ordered list of assignments that have already been built and set up in the system that you can share with your students. I'll jump into one of these to show a quick example. Here's the assignment prompt for the student, and you can preview that, and you can also customize it. So for example, if we don't want it to be Bob and Jones, for example, we could have Alice Jones, so you can feel free to customize this entirely to your own needs and even change the titles here. If you'd like to edit the starting template that your students work with, you can do that using the template tab. So similarly, if you're going to be changing around names of methods, for example, you would need to update them in the template, or if you'd like to add additional instructions here for your students, you can do that and save your changes. And then finally are the test cases that we've created for you for your students. So each of the tests or each of the assignments in the course will come with a set of test cases, and assuming they pass, the students will move on. We'll be able to move on to the next question in their homework. Optionally, for some of these questions, they will not have model solutions, but you can also add on your own model solutions if you'd like to share that with your students. When it comes to enrolling students, you can click the invite button here in the top and invite them to the first section. You can also create a new section if you want to have if you want to manage a separate set of due dates, for example, but I won't go into that here. You can check help.codingrooms.com for more information on how to manage sections in a course. You can copy the student join URL and share that with your students, and then they'll be able to enroll in your class here and they'll have access to all your assignments. Now I'll do a quick switch over into Python. So this is the auto-graded Intro to Python course here. Everything will be quite familiar except for the assignments, where the assignments are numbered slightly differently, and some of them have different test cases here. Let's jump into an example. Same thing here, we have a question prompt and some links out to different lessons, and we can investigate the template here first. This is a template that's created, and then we can go into the test bench and we can see an input-output test with flexible equality. So these would be the inputs for the student, these would be the outputs here. You can look through all the test cases and even add your own or delete some. And if we go into assign and we want to check basically the student preview of this assignment, we're now looking at this from the student's perspective, and we can open the assignment workspace, and this is what your students will see when they jump into the assignment here from Coding Rooms. So for example, if we go in submit here, soon we should get feedback on pretty much an empty assignment here. So see there's no blank output, so you can see that the student filled all the test cases and your submissions will show up here. So as your students build out their solutions, they can continue to submit, and you see that the test cases and everything is built out for you from the get-go, and you're able to customize that. You can even customize once students have already jumped in. So if you want to make fixes or changes on a rolling basis, all that will get synced automatically. So there's no need to reassign things to your students. So with that, that covers our introductory launch of pre-built courseware, and we hope you love using this on Coding Groups. We hope you enjoyed that screen share demo of the new pre-built assignments that are launching on Coding Rooms today. And in order to get this imported into your account, please feel free to email us. That's hello@codingrooms.com, or text our live support chat on within the Coding Rooms application to have the courses that you want imported to your account imported, and we'll do that within a few hours for you. Now I'll hand it over to Angela to wrap up the podcast.
Yeah, so we really, I honestly think that we've come a far way with kind of these pre-built assignments. I think a lot of our community has really requested this, and it should help with existing users as well as new users to be able to get kind of into Coding Rooms and being onboarded into the product a lot faster. So definitely reach out, and we're very excited with this new functionality. And as Sasha said, and to reiterate, you can either reach out to us through hello@codingrooms.com, or a even faster way is to reach us through our 24/7 live support chat, and we'll get you set up right away. And without further ado, I think we're going to get into our thought of the week this week, and obviously tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So we're very excited. It's the holidays. Obviously, this year has been unprecedented with a lot of challenges and, safety first. So we hope everyone is, in the holiday spirit, obviously staying safe. And yeah, we have a lot of new features and upcoming product updates planned for you in the new year. I know I'm excited, and I'm sure Sasha is working very hard as well with the product team with these updates. And yeah, definitely catch us next week as well. We're still going to be posting weekly podcasts. So without further ado, we'll see you next week. Bye.
Awesome. Thanks. Bye-bye.